Today we are taking a closer look at this absolutely beautiful luggage set. I did receive it as a gift, and in this video I'd like to show you what comes in the set and share the things that I absolutely love about it. It has a handle at the top and a handle on the side, so it is very comfortable to carry it whichever way you need. We also have a retractable handle right here, and it has 3 different positions, so you can choose whichever you feel most comfortable with. These luggages are super easy to store because they literally fit into one another, so all 3 luggages take a space of only 1. We also have this bag. It is made out of this waterproof material and it is very nicely thought out. We have 2 big pockets at the front right here, and I have this waterproof lining inside as well. We have a pocket on the side right here, shoe compartment on this side right here, so we can put our shoes in and everything's gonna stay nice and clean. And we also have one more pocket on the back, and here we can store our passport and tickets. And inside we have a good amount of space. We have big pocket on one side and 2 smaller pockets on this side right here. The set also came with a matching beauty bag. Here you can put your beauty products, your personal hygiene items, and here's how it looks. It is lined with waterproof material inside as well, and we have one pocket here as well. The luggages have a very nice lining. It is waterproof, and we have this adjusting strap, super easy to adjust, so you just pull it and you are able to adjust your items from falling out. Also on this side right here we have a huge mesh pocket, and we have more storage area here that's separated with this flip. So once you put your items in there, you're gonna close it up, and when you open your luggage, it's not gonna fall out. All of the luggages are made out of this very soft plastic. It is hard shell, but it has some flexibility, so when it's going to be thrown around at the airport, it's not going to crack or anything like that. We also have TSA-approved locks, so you can set up your password, and TSA agents, they have their master key to open it. Also, all of the luggages have this very nice 360 swivel degree wheels, so it is very easy to roll it around. Overall, I think this luggage set is very nice. I really like it. It is made to last you a long while. This very pretty color. You can choose any color you like, so I really like it. Totally recommend it.